Hello, my name is JG from FEELartistic Fine Art Studio. In this video, I am sharing a time lapse of one of my online webinar class of manga and anime. These classes are ideal for kids ages 6 to 14. These are interactive online webinar classes. In these classes, participants will get the same experience as they are in person at the studio. They will learn how to draw manga and anime characters from imaginations. Subscribe this channel for recorded art lessons or join me at webinar for live manga and anime drawing classes at feelartistic.org. Thank you.